Hello, hello, my pirates! So what are we going to do today? Today we're going to explore this very old Commodore 64 that doesn't have a keyboard actually, because the keyboard is really damaged. And so once I open it, I only noticed one thing, and I noticed this thing. This was a ROM switcher, and actually as you can see here, the switch is really bad. So the man told me that the Commodore 64 was not running, was broken, dead screen, blank screen, of course. Well, so I pulled up this ROM and put it in place. So and there are these nice dongles and the dead test cartridge. So we're going to switch it on and see what happens. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Well, the machine is alive. That's a good sign, actually. And while it's running, I'm going to put some fingers on the RAMs and see if they get too hot. But I don't think so, because the RAM test passed. So, yeah, right. Everything seems to be fine. Okay. Right. Okay, so we have a bad SID here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, poor SID. This poor SID is really bad. I think I'm going to replace it right now with another one and see if we can get a nice full test. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I pulled out the SID that is damaged, as you can see it, using this tool. This is really nice tool. This is really amazing. And I installed a SID with the heatsink that I have, that I know it works for sure. So, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. I think it's a nice experiment, because I've never heard a SID that is actually working, but it's not working correctly. I've seen SIDs that have really big problems, and so they don't function at all. This is the first time that I have a SID that it works, but it doesn't work very well. So you will be able to hear the sound of a good working SID. Here we go. All right. Good. Okay, perfect. So this Commodore 64 seems to work, which is pretty nice, because it was supposed to be dead. Okay, so I'm going to leave this test running for a while, and if something comes up, I will be back to you as soon as possible. So I've been leaving this machine here running for quite a while, and the test is actually telling me that there are no major problems. One funny thing is that a bad SID doesn't only report a bad sound, but also the control port and some other things that I noticed in a previous test. I'm gonna replace again the SID with the broken one, with this one. Oh, poor little guy. And and show you how a bad SID can really make a mess in a test environment. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I replaced the functioning SID with a broken one, and I'm going to switch this on again. All right. So of course the machine is going to perform a nice test. We're going to hear again the bad sound. And also I will leave this test running for a while, so that you will see, it will report that U28, which is this one here, U28, and this and it's the MC. Here we go. You see control port bad, which actually absolutely true. Okay, so the test is going to perform another one another time, and it will report that this chip is bad, which is not true. It's not true because they're working just fine. I mean, the test, I've been running this test for a while, and with a good working SID, this chip doesn't have any problem. But the diagnostic test fails on U28 here. Right. Let's see. Here we go. You see? This is not true. With the right SID, this chip works just fine. And the funny thing is that this message comes up only the second time the test is running, which is completely crazy, right? But you know, you never know what happens when you have a bad SID, so I think that's all for now. I think it's that this was a good experience, and actually a really good surprise, because I was supposed to have a dead Commodore 64. And just by the way, just for the record, this is the hole for the switch, for the ROM switch, and this is the keyboard. The poor keyboard that doesn't have, okay, the offset, this one is completely failing. These ones are good, but this one is broken. Overall, this keyboard is not, I mean, the case is not really damaged or something, but I think this keyboard has been suffering some bad experiences. So anyway, that's all for now, and thank you for watching this video. We'll be back to you with another adventure as soon as possible. Bye!